Hi, I'm Kevin and I just got off the Blizzard Magnum 8.7. This ski was a real treat. I gave it a 5-star rating. It's one of the best skis I've been on all day. It's like on train tracks. This thing absolutely just tracks and plows through all the cruddy, smushy snow. On the hard pack, it's on rails. It tracks very well. It carves, it hooks. It's not hard to initiate the turn. You know, with the IQ binding system, it makes the ski very, very easy to initiate the turn. Very stable, very smooth. Not too many dislikes about this ski. You know, I'm a lightweight guy and it's a little bit stiffer, but with that binding system, I'm able to ski it with no problem. So, very good for anybody that's an advanced intermediate all the way up to an expert level X-racer looking for a good all-mountain ski.